ang pambansang awit ng Pilipinas.
Our junior high school principal, none other than Mrs. Cheryl F. Fox. Let us give her a round of applause. A pleasant afternoon to all. Today is not just...
I am Mr. B. Lanciano, grade 7 teacher, and today is a moment of celebration, a time to recognize the hard work, determination, and excellence of our grade 7 students. Let us now begin with a presentation of academic awards. First, we recognize the students who have shown consistent dedication with honors. With honors. E. With honors. Arbinoya Hyong Gail G. With honors. Balakwer Sean R. With honors. Manogon Mark Aaron N. With honors. With honors. And Kylie C. With honors. Lamasan Marilyn T. With honors. Lambating Christian Yu. With honors. Lakyan Hermione Reese T. With honors. Lee Renick Johan C. With honors. J. Delos S. With honors. Macam Rusty Francis II M. With honors. Madera Zimari Faye C. With honors. Madrigal Ray Ishi B. With honors. Mata Gia Miara J. With honors. Monzon Jean Camry D. With honors. Moreno Isabella Sofia Yui S. With honors. Mignon Rovi Isaiah V. With honors. Obispo Cassandra Elise. With honors. Oliver Patrick Wayne.
Ano
With
na-
honors.
Ano nangyari, ate?
Hindi ko alam.
Ikaw ang sinabitan.
Oh,
Osiris Emmanuel
Ha?
B. With honors.
Ginawa niya?
kinuhan.
Nagulat ka?
Comeros Rainier Miguel S.
Ha?
Ginanon niya yung medal.
Tapos sinot sa'yo?
Sana siya.
Boy Ina Patricia L. with high honors.
Servida and Sharina A. with unwavering determination to strive for the best.
3, 2, 1.
Resilience and the support of your families and teachers. Continue to nurture your passion.
Tingnan ko ate.
Airplane.
Konti mo.
Konti lang. Sabi naman si Luda. Sinubong mo lahat.
Ate daw magta-drive. Hey guys, how are you today?
Malapit ka rin.
Takpan niyo po ulit ako.
Good luck
Nalili ko.
Ito, bye-bye. Good luck everybody.
Oy, swerte, walang kas ano.
Hindi lang walang ano. Kasalubong.
Ako mag-park. Parang pupunta street sa Ako mag-park. Bye-bye.
Video mo ako susuka ko.
Ha?
Oo.
Ah, nahulog na.
Nahulog. Okay lang, di makahulog.
Yeah.
Okay.